Hi dear students, today we will discuss one of the important concepts. So that's one is a lens maker's formula. So this one is a 5 marks question in your examination. Okay, first one we consider that a convex lens, and this one is a principal axis. So this convex lens having a two refracting surface. So first one A, B, C. So this one is first refracting surface, and the second one A, D, C. So this one is second refracting surface. Okay, and here we consider that two media. So first media is a rarer media, its a refractive index is 1, and the second media, so this one is a glass media, its a refractive index we consider that a mu. And here also we consider that refractive index is 1. Why? Because so this one is a rarer media, it means air media. Suppose here we consider that this one is object placed in a rarer media. So incident ray came from this object and incident first surface of a convex lens. Then afterwards, so this light ray is refracted. So this one is a refracted ray. So this refracted ray is incident on second surface. Then again this light ray is refracted, and here we get the image. So this one is the actual position of a image. Suppose without we consider that a second surface. So this refracted ray makes a image. So this one is V1. Absence of second surface, V1 is a image. With the presence of second surface, V is a image. Here we separate two surface. It means the two refracting surface. So first refracting surface. First refracting surface. So first refracting surface is ABC. A, B, C is the first refracting surface. Principal axis, incident ray, O is object, and this light ray is refracted, and here we get the image V1. Why? Because the first refracting surface. Okay, object distance. So optic center to object. So this one is object distance. Optic center to image. So image distance. So this one also we consider that a V1. And here, so refracting surface to optic center. So this one is a radius of curvature R1. Okay. The first one, object placed. Object space. Here we consider that first media, and its a refractive index is 1. It's a refractive index. We consider that 1. And image space. Image space. It's a refractive index. We consider that a mu. Object distance. Object distance. Object distance minus u according to sign convention. Image distance. So image distance is V1. So this one is positive along the direction of incident ray. And another one is radius of a curvature. So radius of curvature R1. So this one is a positive. We know that a spherical formula. So spherical formula. So first one, refractive index of a second media. It means image space. It means a refractive index of a image space. So here refractive index of object space and image space. Okay, refractive index of image space divided by image distance plus refractive index of object space divided by object distance is equal to difference in refractive index divided by radius of curvature. Okay, is equal to difference in refractive index. I will write here only. Difference between refractive index divided by radius of curvature. Divided by radius of curvature. Okay, so this reason refractive index of a image space. Okay, refractive index of a image space for a first surface. So this one is a mu. Why? Because so this one is a glass media and this one is a air media. It means it's a refractive index 1. Okay, so mu divided by image distance. Okay, image distance is V1 plus refractive index of a object space. Object space. So first media, it means 1 divided by object distance. So object distance here we consider that negative. So this reason minus u is equal to difference between refractive index. It means first mu2 minus mu1. So mu2, it means mu minus, so mu1 value we consider that one, and the refractive radius of curvature is r. And for a second surface, okay, so this one is a second surface, principal axis. Okay, in second surface, here in this diagram, this one is extended refracted ray for a first surface and this one is a refracted ray for a second surface. So this reason here V is a actual image, V1 we consider that image for a first surface. Okay, so this V1 we consider that a virtual object. V1 is virtual object for a second surface. If you imagine that, so this virtual object is present in this side. It means so here somewhere, suppose V1. It means so this image is present in a glass media. It means so image. So this image is nothing but a virtual object of a second surface. So this one is the image for first surface. Image for first surface, and V1 we consider that virtual object for a second surface A, D, C. Okay, so somewhere is a present. It means here we consider that V1. Suppose incident ray and a refracted ray. Yes, without we consider that this diagram. Suppose here virtual object, it is present in a glass media and this one is a image. Yes, okay. So this reason here it is present in a glass media. So this one is a virtual object for a second surface. Okay, so this distance V1 and this distance we consider that a V. Okay, so here for a first surface, it means for second surface, for a second surface, it means ADC is a second surface. ADC. Okay, so here refractive index of a object place. Refractive index of object space. Okay, so refractive index of object place. Okay, so this one is a object. It means virtual object. It is present in a glass media. So this reason, so object here we consider that mu, and a refractive index of image space. Okay, so image, it is present in rarer media. It means, so it's a refractive index, we consider that 1, and the object distance, okay, object distance, imagine that this one V1 is present in a glass media, so this reason, so this one we consider that object distance minus V1. Why? Because it is present in a glass media opposite to the incident ray, and image distance, so that's one is V, image distance is V. Okay, so general formula, refractive index of image space divided by image distance plus refractive index of object space divided by object distance is equal to difference between refractive index divided by radius of curvature. Okay, so here first one, refractive index of image space. So here image space 1 divided by image distance V, next plus refractive index of object space, refractive index mu minus V1 is equal to, here refractive index of second media minus first media divided by radius of curvature. In this diagram, so this one is optic center, and this one we consider that radius of a curvature, so this one is a negative. Why? Because so this surface to optic center, so this one we consider that a negative. It means a radius of a curvature, radius of curvature minus r according to sign convention, it means minus r. Okay, so this one we consider that r2, for first surface is r1, okay, r2. Okay, so this equation is 1 and this one is equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2. Okay, equation 1, mu divided by V1, minus 1 by u plus 1 by v minus mu V1 is equal to mu1 minus, it means mu minus 1 divided by r1 plus into minus, so minus mu2 minus 1 divided by r2 is mu divided by v1 minus mu divided by v1 cancel, so finally we get 1 by v minus 1 by u, 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to, so mu minus 1 and here also mu minus 1, okay, sorry, so here we consider that mu. Why? Because second surface is mu, first surface refractive index is 1. Okay, so 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to mu minus 1, take common, into bracket 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Okay, you already know that length formula, 1 by I will write here, okay, 1 by f is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So this reason here 1 by V minus 1 by U means 1 by F is equal to mu minus 1 into bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Okay, so this one is a lens maker's formula and this one is a 5 marks question.